Hello students, I am going to discuss numerical based on electrostatic, and the question is, two identical metallic spheres P and Q have charge on each as 6 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb. They are placed half meter away. This is the distance between them from each other. Another identical sphere capital R having no initial charge. It means R sphere has zero charge. Is first touched with sphere P and then with Q. Sphere R is then removed. Find the new force between P and Q. As we touch two objects, then charge between them will be equally distributed. Charge on P and Q is same. So let the charge is Q and distance is 0.5 meter. Sphere R is first touched with P. As I had already said that charge will equally distributed, means Q is on P, 0 is on R. We will add them and divide it by 2, and charge on P and R will be Q by 2. Similarly, sphere R is then touched with capital Q. So charge on Q and R becomes Q plus Q by 2. Q is on charge sphere Q and Q by 2 is on sphere R. So when we add Q and Q by 2, it gives 3Q by 2, and this 2 will multiplied by 2 gives 4. So the final charge will be 3Q by 4. Now the force between P and Q is given by F equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R square. In place of Q1, I am writing Q by 2. Charge on P, and in place of Q2 I am writing 3Q by 4, charge on Q, and this R square remains as it is. Now it will become 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 3Q square upon 2 4s 8 R square. Now I am putting the value, so it gives, in place of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught I am writing 9 into 10 to the power 9, 3 as it is. Q is 6 into 10 to the power minus 7. So 6 into 10 to the power minus 7 to the power 2. 8 as it is, and R is 0.5 square. So I am just writing the numbers together and the power together. So 9, 3, and square of 6 is 36. So 9 3 into 36 into this 10 to the power 9, and square of 10 to the power minus 7 will be 10 to the power minus 14. Similarly, 8 and square of 0.5 is 0.25. Again, when we remove this point, we have to multiply it by 100 in numerator, or we can multiply it by 10 to the power 2. And here you can see the final power is remaining 10 to the power minus 5. So the multiplication of 9, 3 and 36 give 972, and multiplication of 8 and 25 gives 200, and the power is 10 to the power minus 3. So it gives 4.86 into 10 to the power minus 3.